go there? What happened?
You tell me.
Are you okay? Seems not.
Oh, you noticed
Where's the
them.
wound?
You
Here
noticed
it
them
is.
too.
Yeah, of course.
On both sides.
So this lawnmower is making weird noises. Yeah, but has holes in the blades.
That happened after you took over the mowing.
Yeah, I'm too rough with it. What's this sign?
I think that is a sign in which direction it spins. Yeah, so the blade is giving signs of failing.
Yeah. Wait,
I
this
noticed
sun
it.
is killing me.
I noticed it the last time I was cleaning it. And now a smart man would take this blade off and buy a new one. But I reckon we can weld those holes.
No.
Who is going to find a blade for this thing? I have no idea what model this is or anything.
Aren't they universal or something?
I have no
You
idea.
just need a diameter of this and the size of this bolt, and that's it.
I have no idea. We'll see. But I think the first thing is we need to take this part off. And I think this is the left hand thread bolt.
Okay.
I don't know if it is, but I think it is. And I'm quite sure we won't be that lucky. So it just comes off. What size do you think it is?
13.
16, nothing. And 15.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, 15. Let's see how lucky we are. It means this rotates. Yeah. Oh. So the best place to do this is when you're surrounded with, how do you call this?
Pine needles.
Dry pine needles beneath a dry pine needle tree with a lawnmower full of gas. fuck battery power. Let's start it all again.
Nice.
It is not like a hand thread,
It's not.
no, but the blade is quite warm.
How is it spinning? Which side?
This is a mark, I think.
So
This is the cutting
this
side.
way.
It goes like this.
Uh-huh.
We have some numbers here.
So it's going counterclockwise.
Yes.
Then, but how is it not
Oh,
unscrewing itself?
yeah, that's why I thought it was a left-hand thread.
We're not getting it right. I don't know.
I think you just
Yeah, but the whole thing is spinning.
I think you just this is hot. You just make it very tight and say good enough. But I'm now I'm wondering. This is warm. This is less warm. Have these holes ever had something with these holes, or is that just for the
Interesting.
like assembly and disassembly? Don't know. Yeah, but this I have sharpened this blade. Do you remember that?
Ah, so it's...
And this is the dullest side. So yeah, we're going to try to find another one. I'm going to see if we are going to buy another one, laser cut another one,
We
or
can compare the prices if there is a new one.
laser cutting is not that expensive for that one piece.
Still.
Come on. There we go.
Okay.
Or should we try to find another? No, box coming with us.
Ah, okay.
Oh, you stupid.
Take everything.
The lawnmower too, right? Oh. Why doesn't it work? Why doesn't it work on its own?
Yeah, too bad.
So you just try turning it on, because when you angle it, sometimes oil gets into it, and I want to burn that off. But now
It's stuck.
Now I'm wondering, did petrol get into it?
Where?
What size is this? 21. Into the cylinder.
That's bad, right? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, crap.
No, it's fine. Is it
Oh
oil?
wow, yes, it's spilling oil.
Oh great, with hydrolytic oil.
Oh my god. It's black.
Yeah, I know.
I think that's it.
That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, let's get some petrol so we can wash everything. Oh, come on, give me just a bit. I think we should exchange this one soon.
Is this a similar one as for the chainsaw?
Maybe it's the same size. Who knows?
So this is how you wash a lawnmower?
This is how we wash oil.
Okay. Lovely.
Let it be.
Let it fly.
Anything black come out?
No, just the clear liquid now. But this is what? Where is this leaking from?
Oh. Yes, I want to fill it with petrol. And I want to wash it. Great.
Yeah, this is dirty. That is dripping.
It's coming from the exhaust.
So I will need to wait now for it to
Flash off, yes.
what?
To flash off.
Flash off. What does it mean?
So to petrol to evaporate,
Yes.
and then we'll start it. Okay.
Oh, you're spilling it from the
Oh, I know. It will.
canister.
It is going to flash off. Don't worry.
No, you're wasting it.
Still have oil dripping out, but if you have problem with mosquitoes, this is how you solve them. You bypass all the safeties. I have no compression. You just let it burn off. better. It sounds very weird without the knife, blade, whatever. There we go.
Is this a calculator?
Yes. It's been 2 weeks and we have some good news. This is standardized.
Uh-huh.
10 euros.
We have a new blade.
10 euros.
A little bit more, but okay.
But 13, I don't care.
Yeah. But look how much
Thicker it
has
is.
the older one been eaten. Look at
Even
that.
the trailing edge is missing.
Look at it. Wow.
Yeah. But before that, let's talk about screws. Last time we took this one out and I was like, I want to replace this screw. So I got my chip calipers, and it's a good thing I have my chip calipers because my toy ones wouldn't like this. And you take a measurement, 9.5 millimeters. So,
Okay.
oh, the battery is dying. Okay. And you say, okay, that is an M10 screw.
Okay.
And then I started thinking, wait a minute, everything is imperial on that piece of junk.
So weird.
Surely this is not metric.
Uh-huh. So,
Then I found an M10 nut and you cannot screw it on.
so it's not M10.
And then you need to do this,
What?
the forbidden button.
Oh no!
You switch to banana measurements and you get something like this.
Okay. No, wrong side.
What wrong side?
Oh, just
See, it doesn't like it.
Okay.
And then you look at this measurement.
Yes.
And then your head hurts.
0.371. Okay.
Yeah, then your head hurts. And then you give yourself a lobotomy, so you can start thinking banana terms. And then you realize, no, that is this.
3/8.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you realize this is a 3/8 bolt by 50 millimeters or 2 bananas. And then you start thinking, what pitch are these threads? Because this is a fine threaded screw.
Okay.
And then you bring out your thread gauge.
Ooh.
I bought this one. In metric you don't need this one, but it's nice to have.
Okay. And now what?
And then you try to find
Cool.
with these combs
Cool.
what thread is it. And by trial and error, let me find this one. So this is now a video how to identify screws.
Yes.
You know the major diameter, you know the length.
But you need to figure out the thread
Thread pitch, yes.
pitch. It's called pitch,
Yeah.
not density or something.
No,
like
it's a thread pitch.
Okay.
Am I using the wrong side?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Yeah, I'm using the metric side automatically. Sorry. But yeah, you get somewhere like... No. There we go. This one.
What does it say?
24G, 3/8
Wait.
or 132 or 7/30 seconds. So this means that is 24 threads per inch.
Okay.
And then you contact your supplier and say I need a 3/8 bolt by 24 threads per inch. And then he gives you this.
Let's see.
That is what you're looking for.
Is it identical?
Yes.
Wow.
And it's 2.5 euros a piece. Fuck's sake. Stupid imperial.
So special bolts, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we got a bolt.
So that's how you identify a screw. You need to hit your head a couple of times on the wall.
Yeah, interesting and many unnecessary steps.
Why unnecessary? I want to change the bolt.
No, I mean,
Screw. What?
why is it in imperial system?
The whole thing is in imperial, except this one. This is metric and this is metric.
Okay, whatever.
I need a few more tools. Before we start doing anything, because this was sitting level. Oh, god damn it. Yeah.
What is it?
Oh wow.
Oh, it says something.
Trade in to check. Because last time we lost some oil, remember? Now I want to see how much oil do I need to add. It's full, okay. Oh yeah, I'm sure that the head of this bolt is something stupid. But a 14mm fits very nicely. Wrong 14mm. Oh yeah, I brought my torque wrench, right? And I tried to find how tight does this bolt have to be. And I couldn't find anything useful. So we're just gonna wing it and say about 80 Newton meters. Does that sound about right? 100 maybe?
I don't know. Something fell out.
Yeah, I know. 80, this is 100 Newton meters. We can now replace the blade, and today we're going to tilt it the other way and see if it leaks oil in, because I never learned what way I can tilt this lawnmower. Good enough. Oh yeah. Should we exchange the belt?
Do you have a spare one?
Yeah, I think we do. I forgot about that. How do you exchange the belt on this? Is there a screw here? Yes. Of course there is a screw here. I have never done this. Yeah, I think this is a good time to change this. Oh wow. Yeah, about that belt changing thing. The tensioner is so bad. Wait, no. In which way does this go? In this way. Let's see what we can do here. No? 8? No? Give me a 10 millimeter. And I'm going to find a new belt.
From this box.
Yeah.
A 10. A 10. This one? Or another one?
No, the long one. This one.
Ah, okay.
You're giving a full service to this piece of junk.
Yeah.
Seriously? I bought this belt 2 years ago and never changed it. Can I slip it off now? Come on. Get off, get off. No, that did not help. Get back on. Oh, I'm doing this all backwards. Let's slip it off here. There we go. And how do you identify the belts? You find a marking on it. Well, when I was identifying, the marking was still on. But the belts are how wide they are and how long they are. And this is the same belt, the same width, only this one is much wider.
How do you put it on?
You slip it by one side and then you rotate it around the pulley, hopefully.
Let's see what's your other hand doing.
I was just pushing it and turning the pulley so I can slip it on. And now we put the tension back on.
Okay, that's it.
Well, I think this is a little bit too tight. I have no idea how tight this has to be, but you'll see if it starts slipping.
Okay.
I think something like this will be fine.
This is a protection for belt.
Yes.
But it still gets exposed a little
Yes.
bit.
That is what fascinates me. It's full of grass all the time. And grass is wet and slippery. And it still somehow it works good enough. Let's see. How does this turn? Like this, right? So where were we? This spins this way. Cutting side. So yeah, this was I think 18mm hole by 460mm, made in EU. Who the funky that we have actually some manufacturing still.
Yeah, we do.
New bolt. Oh, yeah, it fits very nicely.
Okay. So this mowing is going to be efficient,
It will
fast,
be much easier than before,
easier, yeah.
especially because the my mower thingy doesn't have an air filter on it.
I'll try it out
Okay.
and let you know how is it.
Now stop the blade with your leg.
Do we need to sharpen it, or is it sharp enough?
Wait, did I put this backwards? Wait. No, this is... Yeah, this is the cutting side.
Is it?
Yes, it is.
Okay then, but yeah, we were not thinking about.
We were talking... Yeah, that is the cutting side, and then it throws up.
Okay.
Throws it up.
Is it sharp? Not really, but okay. If it rotates fast enough, it is sharp enough.
That's correct.
Wanna get to what 80 or 100?
Click!
No. Have you overestimated it? Huh?
Yeah. But I'm just thinking, what happens where my leg needs to be. My leg needs to be here. When you hit something on the ground at full speed.
Like a rock.
Oh, that is enough.
Okay.
I have no idea how much that is. But it's not 100. But it stopped moving, so I think something bottomed out.
Okay. That's it.
Congratulations, you have a new blade on your mower.
This old, rusty mower.
Now let's see if we hydro-locked it again.
No. It's fine.
We didn't.
Does it have some fuel?
No, it's empty. Let's just see if the oil got into the carburetor. Well, that looks like oil to me, but I will not worry about it. Good enough.
Does it smoke?
Probably. we leaned it much less than the last time, so.
Oh.
I know that you like this smell. Can you give me some brake clean so I can clean off the oil?
Do you think a brake clean could clean like greasy stains on the clothes?
I done that before.
Oh,
You were with me.
I don't remember.
Now let's splash off.
Bye.
Now we just need to see how smoky it is. You bypass all the safeties. It's all yours now.
Let's go. Thank you for watching.